Remakeup the Aju Kamataya Baubing Lok Sabha election mapung phada shuru khui khawai Manipur CEO na signature campaign habok khaira Congress will Lok Sabha elections manifesto shokhaira Khanui thot chinausan lui khwanau pingli khang khamutho thina kamataya sada sai goro wiwang regisang hagasang ningrin tui mi haira Lake Hangutor, Achu the Dankul Express with Bao Rinj Bemerza in a Pamidale, Bao Bing Mesa in an Rumsa. Lok Sabha elections Hili Yari Matailak Aina Kunitot Pingna, Kangaji Malayla, Jingri Gahai Mushun Makui Kamayon Alungli, Kan Met Mikawai, Gasat Kami signature campaign Manipur with Chief Electoral Officers Office with Aina, Hapokaira. Election Hili Mupung Pada Shurukui Kawai, C Vigil 1950 toll free number, Know Your Candidate. KYC Saksham Voter Helpline Higata, Shigijin Maramli, Hangajite Creatives Explainer Video, Pongmi Hairachi. Hoardings, poster, TV, radio talks, jingles, Igathala, Shokhairachi. Internally displaced persons, IDPS Pingna, Vote Nam Kawai Maramli awareness programs, relief camps Pingli, Rumi Hairada, CEO na Pau Shoka. District Saigorowi EVM, VVPAT randomization kare ajang sai, randomization gakane na aya sa haira gala, EVMI VVPATs commissioning la aya habokser haira. Kala jiwiwang Electronics Corporation of India LTD with engineers hangtrukda mati ungda atumna yangsang da lechi. Polling personnel pingwi training kare la kupsang haira, training round gakane jak muhundalay. General observers kutum, police observers kani, expenditure observers mati, election commission na kapangsang haira. Relief camps li pom da khalay ping wiwang, special polling stations hang chikoda mati mujut mi haira. Kana Jigata special polling stations Ukrul district li mati haimirachi. Manipur with model polling stations shaka trada jishat leira. Chiwing chaili shinao mangna manage kisa women polling personnel hang chikoda akaleira. Shinao san na manage kisa polling stations shajishat apa truk leira. Polling stations mati PWT category with personnel na yangsang mira. Congress Party with 2024 Lok Sabha elections manifesto pongmi haira. Manifesto chi Niyai Petra Hoda Aya Congress Kathana Ping Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, P. Chidambaram Atumzang Laga launch Samia. Manifesto Committee Kathana Congress Party Leader P. Chidambaram na kahang Aja Congress with Ningrin Mashun Kamili Paisinda Semhaidalay. Congress with election manifesto hina Mushun Pangali Karin Sai. Chile Yaron Ngala with Yuva Niyai, Shnausan with Nare Niyai, Lui Kavanau Pingwi Kisan Niyai, Ot Kasanau Pingwi Shramik Niyai Kala, Saigoro Wivang Mushun Gayatada, Quira Kami, Hisidare Niyai Hiping Hi Congress na election with Jungshit Saira. Congress with manifesto Ligahang, Party China nationwide socio-economic kala, caste census la Quira. Chithada India li later kale caste aina, subcaste ngada de wi alungli, Lansin rin gathada lema maili kachi socio-economic conditions, take kala, SC, ST aina OBC with reservations 50% cap, mutai mi kwai, constitutional amendment pass samira jihaira. Congress manifesto hi India abam saigorali khangasan leida yarwi suggestion ting samgapang atishura kuigshokna da hanga. Huishu kuwi ungbung rinli khangajay kuirada headmanship na administration saigora singasa ara village council na yang haira. Administration in a governance system li khangajay kuikra pau mikshok atishura huishu ku hi achahon mayo tarik magada shini thangwi aina hapokta village council aina vairachiya. Khangajay kuikra hi transparent accountable kasangala inclusive kasa governance hai khwai kasanachi. Huishu wi village administration governance hi aramuishang gajida wi aina mingnin jangda semgahai village council china yang sanghaura. Kana village headman na ramchiwi zatkana muyon zawi maramli yang sang mirachi. Ripai gishung gasharlong wi kumbai gazip achahon tarik mati thang lui shumphung khuli muyon haira. Gazip jiwi khayawa David shangnam na samida long now jiwi thojan phing room hairachi. Muso MK Prisho Shimre, spokesperson BJP Manipur Pradesh, former Deputy Speaker Manipur na Samida, Ring Khanguruma, Long now Jingre Ena Kapanda Ungram, Kala politics Ena Yarui Mangapagapai Kangshikwi Maramli Mutumida, Moholak Ena Pilan Kangamia. Kazip Jili Kuung Jishatna Ngurumda, Long wi Mayan, Long yan Ngasan Nguruma, Jiwi Alungli Rupai Kushung Kashar Long Hiwi, Leha Leret Hili, Karer Ngohong, May Mutot Papa Paimara, Kong wi Kayur Gapa Hili, Mechanism Poisonous Chemicals Kala, Shijin Laga, Mapa Paimara, Sayur Vayur, Anau Gapra Kashia Atamli, now Megatha Masing Paimara, Maka Paimara Kaji Hangsanga. Kajigatana long way, Rian Jili, Jong Maganda Laysa Aka, long na Awidungli action queera, Kajihi long na gala, Kong Nairing Naikala, Yari Saigorilich take me Shokaira. Kumbay Gazip Kangajung with Muso Higher Secondary School, Ukru lecturer Lucas R. Shimrena, Kasat Kasangli Kre Aina, Achu Tod we, Rishak Shire, Maran Salaga we Kangazip Aina, Ajivre she sang highway, Ning Kamasai, long now hina. Young Sang Miran sang sa kangai apong junka aina lungtum lak ka hai rockshot ainang soda kupsang wi philan khangda mi da moholak ainang ngajang sang pau miraya repaider repam ni kusoma ram jili pipeline mazarer la khalai apam bingli ngai cha da der samphang sak pai khawai muso na ning sang khami kala sami ga hai sai goro wang long chui chairman very so yang ya kala yari creek vana ninggashi ring pa khaya wo muso bing sai gorele chansam da jingre enang jang sanga Naga Army alungli ngru ka pau yari alungli ngiyawnap ka hai maramli Naga Army General Headquarters wishong ena pau shokhaira itum na thai Naga Army Eastern Flank na Naga Army Longvibu kaman mushur marada shokhaira lakhawak ngru ka kali thanda kale dai Longvibu kala awi subordinate officer bing witungli action per kawai Naga Army na yari woli kapika haira Naga Army alungli kokhamag sa janpao yarui alungli ngayaw gahay tharan address sa da Naga Army General Headquarters Publicity and Information Bureau na janpao mushoka Transparency kala accountability lekhang sakli naningti ta kasak kahab kharaji ngusungra da hanga 2023 kum December 7 thang Naga Army Dai Longvibu Lieutenant General Absalom Raman MMMC na thanda military coup sada Chile Southern Command aina Central National Security Command CNSC disarm kala tukukui kushokchi sakla ka high national security li mutung khamagan otsak kala phongshor ga hai nga gai gishi otsak na da hangsanga otsak jiwang defense force wi akhoga yariwana ajagum tharau mugada churuk thang supplementary order mishoka jizu khami antishura Lieutenant General Absalom Wili Kaleje Central National Security Command officers properties cadres kala arms saigora hanmi khawai kuso khai na chi kala Euroi wang pha khama yangda Southern Command aina CNSC and Ministry of Allied Affairs MAA GPRN restore ka sawi dargar ka sala phongshok khai na chi co-order ji kushur hailak laga Lieutenant General Absalom na thanda atum shongza thaichi hawachi supplementary order samphanga gachi nghan ka khawai da mio tarik phanga thang Ministry of Kia Affairs wi aina order shokliya kha chili manghan ka la yari woli open letter shokra sayachi hangda khalei open letter chi Naga Army Longvibu General Ningkhan Shimre MCVC wi command mushur maradak shokna chiya GTG yari woli address sada Dai Longvibu Lieutenant General Absalom la awi senior officers kai khana Makamushung Shoi Zangda Kushoknachi. Kaman Mushur Maragchi, Mang Maningla, General Ningkanwi, Ming Zakshi Kawai, Pen Papagachina Chihaira. Jithada Kasaji, Saklak Hai Kayonna, Kala Chile competent authorities na action Queen Chihaira. India, Burma, Bangladesh Zangda, Unit Sai Guru alumni rule of law li. Kayashi Kawai, Naga Army wi alumni order Quirang Kawai, situation hit Michang Mikai, Masala, Matalak Aina Youngasang, Pag Shok Dargar Sahira da Chanpao Chili Hangsanga. Situation hi Saklanka Hai, Ngasaya Guji Pap Dada Yarina, Hen Gukui Chanpao sensationalism, Mangsang Sakawai, PIB General Headquarters, Naga Army na Kapo Sahira. Election Alung Hili, Mayday ST status poda khalili kutom khawai yaroli kuthong the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee STDCM na poster campaign habo khaira. STDCM volunteers ping na campaign chi Imphal Khwaramban Ima Kaitel Pamwi Aina Hapokta Yari Bamli Mayday ST status kapo poster haika zatalai. Campaign chili matailak Aina Mayday ST status wivang ngirmi ngning gi gichi candidate li kutom khawai kasat haira. STDCM Joint Secretary Morang Tim Naukamba na kahang atum nagbo hi jingum thara langhaira kana atum campaign chi Manipur tambak apam ngdadele sa khawai ngrandale Assembly hakmai gap kuchi nishari tukukhui sambang haira Tarik mati thang lupa shakani batra crore manwi Heroin Kachar district li tukhuya case chilingsunda mi aka tukhui haira Nisha dugukhui ji Assam CM Himanda Biswa Sharma maya khangai phongshokta police li msot mi haira Heroin chi KG mugada aka kaya chi kala ji silchar operation li STF Assam police kala Kachar district police na tukukwina Nisha shimit khawai sada ju network saigor phashok khawai sada lei the Assam CM na hanga Dadlida aju khamataya baubing Lok Sabha election mabung phada shuru khui khawai Manipur CEO na signature campaign habok khaira Congress will Lok Sabha elections manifesto shokhaira Khanui thot chinausan lui khwanau pingli khang khamutho thina khamataya sada saigoro wiwang regisang hagsang ningrin tui mi haira Aju pau hiling jang haira pau ngana da khalai na tum saigoro li ring phang kala khama haya jimik shong sa sarano